What's up and good morning, guys. If that right there getting loaded up ain't a sign of what's going on today, well, I don't know what is. Seems like everybody's having bad luck today, or this week, or honestly 2020. You just let him out? That is a dang, man. You're a heck of a date.
You ain't got a choice. The door handle's broke on the inside.
Oh jeez. I mean, it's not as bad as what you did to his truck.
I didn't do shit to it. I wasn't driving it.
Oh, you weren't driving?
I wasn't driving it.
I mean, you did borrow it though. They could have happened while it was in your possession. What do we think, Bri? We think he did it?
I know.
That's weird.
Then he pulled the battery, reset the code.
It wasn't smoking when you were behind me the whole way. It wasn't misfiring. There was no check engine light.
So, you know, the other day, what was it, last night? Or yesterday?
What?
I don't know. To explain what started happening to your truck there, buddy.
Well, it was a cylinder 7 misfire.
Yeah, so, you know, me and Bri, we pulled the engine apart and we realized it was a bent rod, right? Is that what it was? No, what was it?
The AFM DOD lifter right here.
Yeah. So, you know, we had to tell Wes what was wrong so he knew how to fix it, you know?
This little guy right here. It was a collapse lifter. I honestly don't know
These things fail all the fucking time. You know what the GM guy said? Oh, we stock a bunch of these. These things always, everybody's buying them. They always go bad. I'm like, yeah, you know it's a fucking problem. There's a bulletin on it.
You guys ready to let's just go get Fords? We all gonna trade our trucks in?
I'm about to get a Cummins.
Oh, you're
I told him, I was like, this is ridiculous.
We asked him what he drove. He's like, oh, I took the bus.
Oh, you guys went to Jarek?
Yeah.
I didn't know Jarek works at Jarek doesn't have a job? Hold on.
Jarek's grandpa.
All right. Are you excited for this one?
No, I don't want to do it, but what choice do we have?
So to do this, you've got to pull the whole top end off, right?
Yeah, intake manifold, the head for a lifter.
You already look tired, dude.
I am tired. Tired of these fucking GM vehicles. If the cam's full, we're just gonna find a 6.2 out of the junkyard and put it in here.
Nah, let's put a Cummins in it. We'll do a Cummins swap. He's already got an HD front end on it. We'll just keep doing all. We'll make this the most Frankenstein truck we've ever seen.
The whole front end would just go. It would just. You throw a diesel in the front of this piece of shit. It sounded
Bro, we
like
got
shit.
electric ones of those nowadays.
He's just let him work his way up to power tools, right?
Okay.
He ain't ready for power tools yet. He'll be over here with the 1/2-inch impact taking off.
Oh, whatever, dude.
I don't know if today was the right day to wear some brand new shoes there, Bri, if you're gonna be rubbing them around your engine bay.
Oh, these aren't new. I just don't wear them that much.
You got that AC Delco electric wrench?
I do. It's in the back.
Oh, all right.
Just in case the battery on the Milwaukee fails.
Yeah, you know, you can't trust those Milwaukee. That AC Delco is the good stuff.
It's a backup, dude. Hey, I got my Milwaukee yesterday, though.
That is true. Hold on, so, you know, we got whole offer up Wes over here. Finding some more deals for our good buddy, Bryant. We got him the new 1/2-inch Milwaukee with the 8.0. Unfortunately, he already wrote his name on the bottom of it, so I can't claim this one. But, you know, a little paint thinner, or we just replace that sticker. I could probably claim it.
All these new XC series, XC, these are old. This is the old XC, but these are high output. This is high demand. This uses the 18650 lithium cells. Look at the size of the battery.
Right.
These are wider, so they're using bigger cells. These are using 26650s. These are 18650s. So this cell can handle a faster discharge rate, like a higher discharge. They're just stronger batteries, stronger cells.
So they're better than the high demand.
Yeah, they're just a lot bulkier.
Bri, it's too early to be pissing him off, man. He gonna kill you by the end of the day.
Right.
Bro, what are you taking the throttle out when we're taking this whole intake off? Stand closer in on the center of that.
All right. Oh. Shift change. Bring in the big guns.
No, he's over here pulling the wrong shit off. He got fucking
Hands are tired.
Hey, take a break, Bri. You worked hard, man.
Yeah.
Get your Union 30 in. What are you charging for this job there, Wes? You know, it's a lot of labor that's about to go into this thing.
Well, apparently I'm getting fucking blamed for so. My biggest fear working on shit is all these fucking electrical connectors I hate.
Yeah. We should mention by the fact that obviously there's 3 trucks in here that we can squeeze a decent amount of trucks in here. I know the shop looks narrow. It's about 25-ish feet wide by, I believe, 75 or 80 feet long. So side by side, yes, you can get 2 trucks in here, like directly side by side, like you would park in a 2-car garage, but it's tight and we don't like having to squeeze past trucks and somebody might scratch something. So you can see here, you know, we've pretty comfortably got 3 trucks in here with Wes's being on the rack. So this one's kind of like in a not the greatest spot. If we were able to pull his truck up even further, if it had all of its wheels on it, then we'd be able to squeeze even more stuff in here. So even though the shop looks narrow, I mean, it is narrow, but there is still a decent amount of vehicles we can get in this place. Wes got to go to the hospital right now. We can't. Hospitals are all backed up, allegedly, because of Brian's wiring job with the zip ties there. So to everybody that says, Rhino, why don't you enjoy working on vehicles? Watching Wes trying to get into the back there to get one of the last bolts off, that's why I don't enjoy working on vehicles. Everything's so hard to get to. The newer the vehicle, the harder it is. I don't know if you've seen like the newer Ford diesels, like everything's, you got like that much openness in the engine bay to get in there to even get to anything. That's why they got to pull cabs for a lot of stuff. It's a pain in the butt. Ain't no more shade tree mechanicing going on nowadays. Hey, we got it.
That ain't the last one. There's one more further back.
Oh, jeez. Hey, Chris.
What are we doing? Placing the engine?
Yeah, you got that? You gonna get in there?
Well, we got one for sale over there.
No, 6.2? Supercharged 6.2 throw in it?
Yeah.
Easy?
It's a little slow, but you know, I'll do.
How many did you get, dude?
Just 2.
Yeah. This is our fluid collection. Oh, you got a nice tablecloth?
Tablecloth, yeah.
Oh, well, we got to keep it fancy around here when we're collecting some fluids.
I went to get a moving blanket. It's like $18. I was like, are you joking me? I was like, man, all this is gonna do is just collect oils or coolant. So
There you go. All right.
might as well just go to the Dollar Tree and get a
Nice tablecloth.
tablecloth for $1.
Dang, bro, you went with the round tablecloth too. I see what you're doing there. You know, nice contrast.
You know, just trying to church up the place a little bit.
It needs. There's
A little more classy.
We need it around here. Well, we still got our New Year's Eve decorations up on the wall over there. We good?
Yeah.
And I really hope you're gonna have good aim with that, because this is gonna make
two
a,
of them.
it's gonna make a mess. It's just gonna trail right off of that cover. You know that, right? Oh, we got the big guns today, bro.
This makes me happy.
I don't know if we need any more Milwaukee Chargers. I think we're pretty set.
Well, this is the one I borrowed, so.
That's a good looking sweatshirt you got on there, buddy.
Oh, I appreciate that. Yeah, real nice guy gave that one to me.
Can you jump up there, dude? I don't like seeing Wes so upset and frustrated. Yeah, we'll let like a new fresh set of eyes get on it.
You guys even went and got new head gaskets and everything? You guys are nice.
We don't mess around, dude.
I need a fuel line disconnector.
You should have told me. I have it set at my
texted you.
house. No, you didn't.
I swear
Let me
to
see.
God.
Show it to me. I have it set at my house. I just had to do
I
that with
texted
my...
you 2 minutes ago before you walked in the door. How did I know you were gonna be here in fucking 5 minutes after saying you're about to leave?
It's just me, or is
I did it. I had
everybody a lot closer than 6 feet over there?
I used that.
Practice what you preach, Chris. Practice what you preach. All right, Chris. We got to maintain distance around here, buddy. Just don't let the tips touch, and we're good to go, bro. Oh, don't scratch any trucks. All right. Bro, I'm gonna need you to stay this far away from me. All right, buddy. You guys are breaking some rules over there. We'll have to call the CDC.
We test each other. We're good.
You tested each other? That's a lot of Navy love going on right there, let me tell you. What's up, buddy?
Oh, yeah, how's it going?
Oh, it's going good. Going real good. All right, that's just... Now it's getting weird, if it wasn't already weird. Dang, bro.
Yeah, she's low now.
She is low.
I love it, though. Oh, did you hear about what happened to me last night?
What happened?
So, it's my fault. I didn't check it. But because I put the drop spindles on it, it raised the center point for the spindles.
Gotcha.
So it brought the caliper up with it. So in my driveway and up and down my street, it was no problem. But once I actually took a hard left turn onto the road, it pinched my brake line up against the knuckle. So I'm going down the highway and it all of a sudden just starts pulling real hard right. And I'm like, pull over. And my brake line was just completely pinched underneath the knuckle.
Ain't this the same truck that the wheel fell off?
Yes.
You have good luck with this thing, huh?
Dude, I'm just having the best luck with it.
This thing's been on the channel, but it was like you off in the distance in the sand, skirting it a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
I know it's been on my Instagram when Wes kind of stole it from you the day you brought it over here.
Yeah, the day I got it, just steals it from me and starts ripping it down the back.
Well, fire it up, dude. I mean... Sounds good.
Sounds great, I love it.
Chris, buddy, I found you something, dude. You want that? Come on, inspection time.
That's guaranteed Rona right there.
Yeah, right? So, Wes has been in a bad mood today. We're trying to cheer him up. What do you think, Chris?
Popeye's chicken sandwich.
Is that the secret to cheering him up?
I think so. All right, go. Maybe two of them.
Probably 4. Dude, you're gonna have so many parts spread out so far. You should probably keep everything together. Is my light helping?
Oh, yeah.
I'm doing my part.
Help.
I'm doing my part.
How do you think we got so far so fast?
That's true.
Come on, Bri.
Holy
Practicing
Here, give me
calisthenics here and shit. Yeah, why'd you say there's gonna be
This is ideal timing right now, Chris. This is ideal timing.
Wes is fuming.
Yeah.
Wes, take a break. Take a break, buddy.
I'm not taking a break. Let's swap out. I'll break right now.
You ain't gonna be able to get the bottom of that. Take a break, buddy. I got you some Popeyes. I got you some Popeyes too, Brian.
man, Chris, what a guy.
Yeah, no. Chris, hard working down on the channel.
I even got individual bags too.
Oh, dude, that's quarantine right there.
That's just weird, you know.
Wave one under Wes's nose right now. He needs it. It's little like bring him back. Hey, so far so good, Bri. You're catching all of it.
Well, it ain't fully went out yet.
Yeah, that's what happened right there. That C clip just got fucking
To make sure it's not.
smashed up in there. That was probably causing it to bind up.
I've heard of them collapsing. And
Now
they
look,
get
you can
stuck
see
in-
right there.
Yeah, the C clip. Yeah, well, that little retainer is spring loaded.
Yeah.
It
That's
got
what happened.
It
It
got
expanded
mashed.
and then got caught up in there.
These little paws pop out and they catch in there, but they're supposed to latch and unlatch.
Dang, Bri, this thing's not meant to be a drag racing truck anymore, dude.
I know. It's a cruiser now.
The roller looks perfectly fine. There's no pitting, no nothing, no hammering.
They did this to save 4% fuel economy. That's literally the only reason this DOD shit.
Yo,
4%.
just delete it and let's put solid lifters in it.
You gotta do a cam to do that.
Everyone wants it.
Yeah, for sale.
Do 454.
How much we asking, Brian? How much for this truck? It's for sale. Brand new lifters.
Place it like this.
Brand new lifters, lift kit, wheels.
Hey, you're doing great in there, buddy.
What was that, Wes? I can't hear you.
It's teamwork right here. The things we do for fun, boys. You know, Chris, I think we've been working so hard. We get to blow off some steam, right? Yeah. How much better we got?
Ain't bad.
Enough?
You got enough.
All right. Cause I'm about that. Cause I'm about that.
I'm about that come up, running up on them fools that are talking foolish. Try to get them funds up, killing them mics just like I ran the jewels in. Y'all gonna get done up front and on that kid with an attitude, but you can't really blame this.
All I know is that motorhome back there has seen some better days. Here we were thinking it was just a motorhome. This is here is a genuine tire store on wheels. Huh. Seen it all now, I guess.
It doesn't run.
It probably runs. Probably runs better than Brian's truck. You should go in there, fire it up.
No, I'm good, man.
I bet it's got the keys in it. Somebody just ditched this thing here. Oh no, we got a flat tire. We ain't gonna get too far. It does not have a for sale sign, but some dirtbag probably had this in their yard and they brought it over here and dumped it on the street for somebody else to deal with. I noticed there ain't no license plates on it.
And is this where he's putting the pop out?
Yeah, well, yeah, he wanted to slide out, you know, make it more modern.
Hey, that's a 14 bolt with the dually rear axle.
Oh, dude, you want the axle?
Yo, I may come by and snag
I
this.
have a feeling if you take the axle, nobody's gonna know or care that it was missing. It might have a toilet in there. You want to borrow the toilet? I bet it's got a nice one.
Oh, I wonder what happens when you pull that.
Apparently the drift trikes weren't exciting enough for Dedick. He's out here in the C10. I guess doing some burnouts. Probably stopped now that the camera came out. Well, you can see all of his smoke over there.
Put some air in the tires and then go do some donuts.
It's a little smoky out here.
I was gonna take off, but I had no idea where the hell I was.
That's pretty good, dude. Oh, yeah. That's a curb. Yeah, I mean, it was all right. You know, the drift tracks are a little crazier. Show them, Chris. Show them. All right, guys, well, they're getting the head put back on right now. This truck's not going to be finished today. They're going to get most of it done today, but not going to get fired up until they get some more coolant and all that. So it's getting a little hectic back there.
We're trying to avoid that area right now.
Everybody's on eggshells right now. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that you do not miss out on any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like, a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com because if there's anything you want in this life, you got to be willing to work for it.
Roll the outro.
Damn. Yeah.